In the last part of the session, you mapped your class on the class recording sheet. Mapping your class on the developmental addition and subtraction continuum not only provides a clear picture of your class's addition and subtraction strategies, it also shows what learning is on the horizon for each group of students. Keep in mind that learning math, including learning to add and subtract, is not a linear process. The eCam and recording tool do not indicate a direct pathway for students to learn math. Children take all kinds of twists and turns as they learn to add and subtract and in learning in general. This is in part why students need many and varied experiences with the concept before it is fully understood and internalized. The eCam data provides the teacher with information and guidance on specific content and students. With this in real-time data, the teacher is able to make the best possible instructional decisions for all learners. This includes which tasks and learning experience to provide, how to provide access to all students, what questions and prompts to use, how to facilitate discussion so students build new understandings over time. It is likely that you have a range of addition and subtraction strategies in your math classroom. This is a good indication that students are being met where they are in their developmental journey. A student or group of students may have a specific focus during the given learning experience that matches their specific learning needs. Additionally, this group's learning needs will differ from the next. When students are provided the space to problem solve and make mathematical connections rather than memorize and follow procedures, they begin to manipulate numbers in ways that make the operations more accessible. We want to see a variety of strategies and models in K-5 math classrooms. The goal is for students to select a strategy based on the given operation and numbers. This is a significantly different approach from selecting a strategy based solely on the operation. We also have to take into account child development. The strategies a typical first grader uses are often more sophisticated than the strategies a typical kindergartner will use. For example, when a kindergarten student sees the expression 9 plus 7, they will likely reach the answer by counting all or on from 9. They will often build concrete models when they do so. A first grader who has a more developed number sense may use a make 10 strategy using the understanding of equivalence. 9 plus 7 equals 10 plus 6. They too will likely need a concrete or representational model. How do you address the variety of addition and subtraction needs in your classroom simultaneously? Centers or math stations are a strategic way to provide students meaningful practice or learning experiences that align with where they are in their addition and subtraction journey. There are many math games and puzzles that can be used in this format. Another essential instructional approach for meaningful math practice and development is math routines. Take a moment to review the following handout. This handout briefly explains why routines are crucial to your math teaching practice. In the last part of the module, you will learn about the same but different routine. Before you learn about the specific routine, reflect on your experiences with routines in your own teaching. Reflecting on your experience with routines will help you anticipate potential barriers and identify entry points for adopting a new routine. Which routines do you regularly use? What successes have you had with routines? What challenges have you had with routines?